Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AQMS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price had a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its low point, and then you look at where the price ultimately closed, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very strong move on the day. However, this does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that is right down here at, let's see, what is that? $2 and let's just call it 50 cents. There we go, $2.50. Why is $2.50 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 250. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this area of the chart where it was just kind of going crazy and going down there and flirting with those lows. Again, point being, going back to where these levels were, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price, let's try something else. There we go. Let's say the price pulls back like this, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. So even after a pretty drastic pullback like that, what would you still have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that low down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying make progress as 250. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, the key thorn in the side of the bull seems to be right up here at $3.10, 12 cents, give or take. You can see back here, rejected the price down, and then you fast forward to today, and once again, that is right where the price was ultimately rejected. So I'm not saying the price can't break through that area, just saying it makes sense why the price did struggle up there, and that'll be public enemy number one going forward. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice move today. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum next week? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.